Hello! Today we are going to be making a do-it-yourself lava lamp. You're going to need a couple of ingredients, including some oil, preferably vegetable or canola. Anything will do though. A water, and an Alka-Seltzer tablet, or any form of antacid tablet, but I specifically went for an Alka-Seltzer because I know that works. The first thing you want to do is fill the glass halfway with oil. You want a tall glass for this, as it's more noticeable. You can do this with a small glass, but a tall glass has a more pronounced effect. So you'll want to fill whatever glass you're using halfway up using oil. That should do it. The next thing you're going to want to do is add, I guess, half of what's left, or in this case an inch of water into the glass. You don't want to overfill the glass, obviously. You wait for the water to settle to the bottom. And then the next thing you'll want to do is to take the Alka-Seltzer tablet. Now you're not just going to throw the thing all the way in as is. What you're going to do is take the tablet and break it into pieces. As you can see what I'm doing right here. And then you just put it in. Put one of those pieces in, and well, there you go. The lava lamp has been activated. As you can see, it's bubbling quite hard. And it's honestly a lot of fun to look at. That being said, it doesn't last very long. Of course, that's obviously when you add another piece. Now, as to why this works, the first things first, the oil is lighter than water, so it'll float on top. That's why the oil is on top of the water. Also, oil doesn't mix with water, so that's why it doesn't mix. And then, the tablet actually makes carbon dioxide, which is a part of air, when it dissolves. And when it does that, as the air is lighter than both the oil and the water, it brings water up with it. It goes upwards and it brings water with it. Now, when it gets to the surface, the CO2 becomes part of the atmosphere and the water comes right back down. Something you can do in order to spice this up a bit is to add some food coloring to the water. The food coloring will mix in with the water, but it's still too heavy for the oil. And I'm just gonna fire up that lava lamp again, just so you can see what it's like. If you want to make this spruce this up even more, you can also add a second kind of oil, as then you'll have layers, and you get to watch the water go through the various layers of oil. If you want to dispose of this experiment when you're done with it, you'll want to pour the oil into a tin, or better yet, ask your parents to do this. You cannot pour oil down the drain. It will clog, because it's not soluble with water, it will clog the drain up. If you liked the video and want to see more experiments, please like, subscribe, and head over to TechZenik.com for more STEM experiments and lessons.